Welcome to this MOOC DBE001 Digital Literacy. In this short video introduction, we will learn about how to navigate this MOOC. When you log on to the MOOC site, you will find this first introduction page. In this page, you will find an overview. An overview provides you with an introduction to what the course is about. On the right hand side, you will find announcements. You will use this announcement space to provide you with recent updates on the course and important information that you will need. You simply click on the announcement to open up the announcement and read what the facilitators post to you. Below that, you will find calendar. On the calendar, you will find important dates regarding the webinars or any other discussions that we might have. Click on these dates to find out what is happening on those respective dates. On the left hand side, you will find what we call a navigation toolbar. You find overview, navigating this MOOC, calendar. As I mentioned, calendar is important dates, announcements. You will here find, as I said, the announcements placed by your facilitators. You will then be able to also meet your facilitators. Simply click on the icon and you will see the facilitators that are provided in this course. You simply then click on any facilitator to find out information about this particular facilitator. You can then click on syllabus. Syllabus provides you with an idea of what the course is. So for example, you have study units 1 to study unit 7 listed on the side. You can then move on to your study unit by simply clicking on study unit 0. In study unit 0, you will find it starts off with an introduction of what this is about, study unit 0 on orientation. Each of these study units will also have what we call a MOOC map. On this MOOC map, you will have a special location which will show you exactly where you are in the MOOC. For example, this MOOC map shows you that you are now in study unit 0 introduction. You will then proceed to study unit 1, continuing down to study unit 5, study unit 6, then conclusion and submitting the assignment. This MOOC map also allows you to see how the two MOOCs, the Digital Literacy for Educators and the MOOC Coding and Robotics, are linked together. You will also find on this site forums. Forums are where you will then post your discussion as part of your activities. To do this, you simply click on the link that is provided here, or you can also click on the link in your study unit itself. For example, go to study unit 0, and on the link activity of study unit activity 1, you simply click on the link and you will then be directed to the forum where you post your activity. You will also find a feature called chat room. Chat room is a special tool where you will allow to use to communicate with your fellow peers and your fellow facilitators. Simply post your comments and you can then communicate with your facilitators. You will be allowed to communicate with your facilitators the moment they are online. So for example, if you click this icon on the bottom, you'll be able to see who is online at the present moment. You will also be able to post a comment and your facilitators will be able to communicate with you when they come online. So it allows for both synchronous and asynchronous communication. You will then also find what we call assignments. You have one assignment in this course, which is a portfolio assignment. You will be allowed to submit your portfolio once completed on this assignment link. We also then have what we call tests and quizzes. As part of the self-learning activities, reflective activities, you will be asked to complete some tests and quizzes. Simply click on the link provided and you can then complete the tests and quizzes. Another feature is the gradebook. The gradebook is where you will click on the gradebook to get your marks for each of the assignments, the assignment, the portfolio, plus your tests and quizzes. It will be displayed here together with your name, your activity, and your course grade. The last feature is the meetings tool. You can use the meetings tool to communicate with your fellow peers and your fellow facilitator. This is simply a video conferencing tool that's embedded as part of the learning platform. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, participants, that this is a very interactive platform that allows you to engage with your facilitators, the content, and your fellow peers. To make full use of this, you can watch the video again and learn and understand how each of these tools works. We wish you all the best.